All right, remember the whole idea of this was to actually make this work so we can get the area of something. So let's do that. That's what I want to do next. Let's try to get the areas of the squares and circle in this case. I need to do one more than one line here of code, so I'm going to do curly brackets here and curly brackets. And that way I can do multiple things with an if statement. Okay. So what I want to do here is I'm going to say circle is equal to new circle. Okay. And again, if I know if it's a circle, in fact, you know what? I'm going to just get rid of this part of this logic here. I'm just going to handle circles first. If I know it's a circle, I want to do get the value. This will represent the radius right here. So the way I do that, I will say here, float radius is equal to, what is it, geometric shape let's see, get values. That values represents these values here. This is going to return me a list of arrays. So what I'm going to say here is I'm going to say get, and I'm getting position 0. Okay, let's see why this is still complaining. Oh, this is because this is a double. So let me do double here. And that seems to be working. So again, the geometric shape is this item right here. I then go after the values, which is this item right here. These values are an array list, and I'm going after position 0. Position 0, get me the radius. I'll put that here, and then I'll pass in the radius there. And then what I want to do here is let's do a sys out and print out the circle area, and that happens to be a circle. Get do circle get. Okay, did I do the wrong circle? Yep, I did. The circle that I picked was the one from Java, which I don't want. I want my own circle. I apologize. Let's grab that circle. This is complaining because of what? Oh, because that's not the technique that we used. This has a map. Let's right click here and say create local here. I don't want this map to be in a loop in this case. I don't think it needs to be, so I'm just going to put it out here. I'll say here new hash map, and let's do now map put E-shaped parts, and we want the radius. Okay. Why is this complaining? Oh, because this actually takes in a float. All right, so I'm getting confused here. So the problem was is that this is going to take in a float, so I'll have to downcast it so this doesn't complain. So I converted this double into a float. And then let's try to do now the get area. Let's save it. Let's run the Java application, and we have our information for a circle. So these are the various areas for a circle. Okay, we're going to do the same thing now for square and in all the other values. Let's get the information for that. All right, with that, good luck and good coding.